Hello guys, it's Roman from Right Route EUC Right School, and I want to show you one of my favorite spot when and where we meet with our students when it is a rainy day. So you see these bridges, you see this bay. The rain doesn't bother us because we have such kind of covers. This spot is very wide. It has different fences. It's quite safe, and as usually it's easy to reach this district, so very close to Science World. So come on, don't stay at home when even if it is rainy day. Our classes, our free trials are going. So very welcome. See you on our classes. Bye bye.